Welcome to our latest tutorial where we demystify the process of granting permission to users for editing the hosts file in Windows 10. The hosts file plays a crucial role in mapping IP addresses to hostnames, and sometimes, users need to modify it for various reasons. Right-click on the hosts file and select Properties. Go to the Security tab. Click Edit and then select your user account. Check Full Control under the Allow column. Click Apply and then OK. After completing these steps, the specified user should have the necessary permissions to edit the hosts file. Keep in mind that modifying critical system files can have unintended consequences, so it's essential to exercise caution and make backups before making changes.